Hi guys, and welcome to the Homeschool family. Today we're meeting outside because I wanted to talk about summertime. We're pretty much done with our academic school year and it's time to start summer school. We're not completely done doing school in summertime. We're pretty much doing year-round schooling, however our summer school definitely looks different. In summer we try to spend more time outside, and problem with that is my kids don't really enjoy playing outside. They would much rather just sit in a house and watch TV or play video games. So I decided to do something special and build the epic backyard for them. We have a really nice backyard and it's too bad that they don't like playing in there. We have woods and we live on a lake, so there's definitely things for them to do. They have a swing set, they had a playhouse and a slide. However, I feel like they have outgrew it. They just don't enjoy playing there anymore. I was thinking about finding ways of how to make the backyard fun for older kids. My kids are almost 7 and a 10-year-old, so they definitely don't want to play in a playhouse anymore. I bet you noticed this huge pile of Amazon boxes next to me. So let's go right to it and see what's inside of them. First, we got plastic wrap, and you would think, what plastic wrap got to do with backyard? But my kids last summer went to a summer camp when they spent a whole week just playing in the woods. And I stole some of their ideas of what they did there. So what did they do with plastic wrap? They just wrapped it around the trees and painted it. Set of paintbrushes, which I bet you can imagine what that is for. We also have a set of kid-size rolling pins. They can use those with Play-Doh or anything else that they can use their imagination for. This one, you can probably already see what this is. Came without a box, so kids already know what it is. I noticed that the box came also a little bit damaged, but that's okay. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, so we have a set of 20 arrows. The tips of them are rubber, so they definitely can't hurt themselves with it. It just bends right there. There's the bow. Looks like it's gonna be fun. And this is just a holder for the arrows with a strap, also made out of wood. Next, we got this box. Let's see what's in there. Okay, so both of my kids are Cub Scouts. And my kids don't really enjoy sports, so buying them sport equipment would not be a big hit. However, they both love camping and they like anything that has to do with survival skills. So they love building forts. And I thought it would be great to get them a little play tent. And it's just a little tent that they'll be able to build themselves. I'll show you later when we set it up. So it turns out the other half of this video didn't record earlier, so let me show you now what else we got. This is definitely gonna be my daughter's favorite. This is Banzai Bump and Bouncy Buddy Bumpers. That's a tongue twister for you right there. She is super excited about this one because she wanted this for over a year now, and we just never happened to buy it. I'm just really curious how long it's gonna last, so stay tuned because I'll let you know in the next video how this worked out. Up next, ooh, this one's pretty heavy. So what we have here is all kinds of stuff. Maybe you can already guess what this is. If not, now you can probably guess. This is a zip line. We have quite a bit of trees in our yard, so I thought, why not put a zip line out there? I bet they're gonna have a blast with this one. We didn't quite figure out exactly where we're gonna put it, but we have quite a bit of trees, so I bet we can find a spot. Okay, I'm not gonna open this one, but you noticed that he got a tent before. It was a small 2-person tent. Well, you can't use a tent without a good sleeping bag. So we got my son a sleeping bag. We have a bug bungalow. This is just a little bungalow that they'll be able to catch worms and lightning bugs and whatever other bugs they want to catch. And they can keep it in this little box, safe. And then when they're ready to release it, they can release them. And this gotta be my favorite item. So my kids love water balloons. However, I do not like filling them up. And I know you can buy those sets where you can fill like 100 of them at once. However, those are expensive. So I found a reusable water balloons. And these things look great. So I'm gonna open this up and I'll show you. So there's different colors in here. And this is just a silicone balloon that opens up and it has magnets. So this is stretchy and you put it in a bucket of water, and when it fills up with water, it just closes up and then you're ready to play. And then when you throw it at somebody, it just bursts. Looks super fun, and you just reuse it. Put it back in the water and seal it again, and you can play forever. So if you guys are interested in any of these items that I'm showing you today, look down in the description because I have affiliate links to all of these items. So make sure you click on that link and check out the Amazon for all these items. I'm super excited about this, and I know the kids are gonna love it because we just kept water balloons for like a special occasion, birthday party or things like that. That's when we got water balloons. Any other time, it was just too much hassle, and we just never used water balloons. So they're gonna be happy about those. Up next is sand art kit. So this one, I just thought, you know, sand art is awesome, but it's so messy. So if you do it outside, you don't have to deal with the mess. If they spill the sand, I don't care. So this kit is really fun because it comes with sticky art sheets, and those just look pretty cool. I didn't see any other art kits that came with that. It also comes with all kinds of different shapes and bottles, so they can make art kit or they can use it for potion making. I know they're gonna have a lot of fun with this one. Next, what's in this little box? They're gonna like this one too. So here we got these little bottles with corks. There's twine. There's labels, stickers, and these little patterns with different shapes. There's quite a bit of them in there. And why I'm excited about this? Because my kids love Harry Potter and they love making potions. So what's more fun than tiny little bottles where you can make all kinds of different potions and then label them and just pretend play. So I bet this is gonna be a hit. And you can't make potions without food coloring. So I got them a set of food coloring also, so they don't steal mine from the kitchen. Next thing is repellent bracelets. We don't have that many mosquitoes around here, but every once in a while my daughter always ends up with some mosquito bites. So I don't really like spraying them with bug spray. These just gonna work great for them not to be sticky and smelly with bug spray, but still have some kind of mosquito repellent. Next thing is emergency shelter. So, like I said, my kids like survival skills, and this little shelter is just a little sheet, thick plastic. There's some rope that comes with it, stakes, and some little strings, twisty ties, and you just build a little shelter and you can make a fort out of it. I bet they'll find a way how to play with this. We have one more box in here. This one's heavy. So let me just show you. Up here we got 10 bottles of tempera paint, and it's washable. So like I said before, we got the paint brushes. You gotta have the paint if you have the paint brushes. I bet they're gonna have a lot of fun. They can paint whatever they want. They can paint the plastic wrap. They can paint the trees. I don't really care what they paint because it's washable. And I'll let you know if it does washes off or not after it rains. So that's all I got for them. So if you guys have any other items or ideas of how kids can entertain themselves outside, please let me know in the comments below. I really would like to hear more ideas. I hope the items that I got will entertain them for a little bit, but who knows for how long, so I'm always open to other ideas. Don't forget to check out those links in the description if any of these items sparked your interest to get your kids to play more outdoors. I'll definitely record another video to show you what our backyard turned out to look like and how did the kids decide to play with all this stuff. This is not all I'm gonna use. I obviously have some other things around the house that I'm collecting to make this epic backyard, but I just wanted to show you all the things that I bought, and stay tuned for the next video of what it turned out to look like. See you next time. Bye!